2022 Ferrari 296 GTB review, everything you need to know. The new 2022 Ferrari 296 GTB represents a new era for the Italian automaker. But the real question is, what makes this car so fun to drive? And, considering all the hype, what really is so special about this car? Well, stay tuned until the end of this video, because today we will talk about everything. Performance, interior, exterior, all the details needed to get familiar with the all-new 296 GTB. Before we begin, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel so that we would be able to produce more content like this for you. With that being said, let's get right into the specs. The 296 GTB, which stands for Gran Turismo Berlinetta, really stands out when it comes to performance. Hybrid technology, a V6 engine. They're both very rare for Ferrari, but for this new exotic sports car, they're both included. One look at the car and the sleek red exterior catches everyone's attention. But the car has a lot more to offer than just that. Its turbocharged V6 engine, combined with an electric motor sandwiched between the engine, produces a power of 818 horsepower. And here's the fun part. All this power is sent only to the rear wheels. Combine that with the car's compact size and lightweight construction, and you have a really fun-to-drive car. The car was unveiled on the 24th of June in 2021. Ever since then, everyone has been impatiently waiting for it to launch. It's finally going to be launched in 2022, and we can't wait. Let's talk about the good stuff. This glorious 296 GTB has the aerodynamics inspired by the 1963 Ferrari 250 LM. Also, it has the ultra-lightweight Assetto Fiorano package. And it has also gotten its title as the first hybrid Ferrari which doesn't power the front axle. And for the first time ever, we've seen a follow-up to the flagship SF90 Stradale. Yes, the 296 GTB is the latest plug-in hybrid Ferrari. Yes, it's a follow-up, but it's a lot better. The SF90 Stradale used a pair of electric motors and Ferrari's very own twin-turbo V8 engine, but the 296 GTB is completely different because of the brand-new 3-liter twin-turbo V6 engine. The brand-new model has a 120-degree bank angle, which means there is a whole lot of space in the valley of the cylinder banks for a pair of turbochargers. And that's where the electric motor comes in. Not only does the car have a brand new V6 engine, but it also pairs it up with a torque-dense electric motor and a 7.5 kilowatt-hours battery pack. The engine plus motor system is tied together with an 8-speed dual clutch, which automatically sends all the power to the rear wheels. The car even has an eDrive electric mode, and according to Ferrari, the 296 GTB can travel over 15 miles only on electric power. That being said, let's talk a bit about the interior. Inside the 296 GTB is a lot of eye-catching minimalism. The dashboard features an entirely digital interface. The passenger is also treated to a digital display that Ferrari says is intended to make you feel like a co-driver. The seats and various interior surfaces are covered with Italian leather that showcases the GTB's luxurious side. The center console contains a push-button shifter, and there's a small compartment for storing the ignition key on the center console as well. A heads-up display is also discreetly integrated into the top of the dash. A true combination of elegance and minimalism that provides the comfort and performance a lot of us seek, all in one place to satisfy all of our needs. Considering the GTB is a sports car, the main question is, just how fast is it? Surprisingly enough, its small V6 engine puts out 655 horsepower and 546 pound-feet of torque. And here's the fun part. This gives the 296 GTB a specific output of 219 horsepower per liter, which is actually the highest specific output of all Ferrari road cars. This V6 engine, combined with the 165 horsepower of the electric motor, gives the system a total output of 818 horsepower. If you don't realize how big that is, then let's compare it with the Ferrari F9 Tributo, which has a twin-turbo V8 engine. Well, that has an output of only 710 horsepower, and the output of GTB is a lot more than that. Talking about speed, there's one question we all ask about a new sports car. How fast can it accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour? Well, the GTB's time is shocking. It can go from 0 to 62 in only 2.9 seconds. But wait, that's not it. It can also go from 0 to 124 miles per hour in only 7.3 seconds. And obviously, another main question, top speed. The 296 GTB has an impressive top speed of over 210 miles per hour. And if you think that's all, you're mistaken. Here's another shocking fact. According to Ferrari, the 296 GTB is said to be 1.5 times faster than the famous F8 Tributo. If this performance doesn't sound extreme enough for you, then there is another variant. That is the Assetto Fiorano package. In this package, you'll get trick multimatic shocks, just like the ones of the Ford GT. Not just that, you'll also get extensive measures which will reduce the weight and improve the aerodynamics significantly. In the Assetto Fiorano package, there's extensive carbon fiber usage and also a Lexan rear window. Together, they contribute to weight savings of over 26 pounds. So, if you thought the normal 296 GTB seemed fun to drive, just imagine how good the Assetto Fiorano variant would be. Anyway, talking about the 296 GTB, it's the first real Ferrari with 6 cylinders. But don't think it's an entry-level Ferrari just because it only has 6 cylinders. The pricing of the car will start from a total of $321,000. So, if I were you, I'd want to start saving up right away. On that note, let's end today's video. Tell us your thoughts and what your favorite thing about the 296 GTB is in the comments below. We hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, make sure to support us by giving a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing upcoming car reviews and car-related content, and press the bell icon so you never miss out on our future uploads. Till next time, peace.